Good afternoon, Manufacturing All-Stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. We're coming at you live from Rumsey Electric's hospitality event at Automation Fair 2018, where I am joined by Julia Santogatta. Cheers, Julia.
Cheers.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
I'm excited to have you on because the topic today is learning how to start your connected enterprise journey.
Ooh,
so,
big topic.
It is a big topic. It is a big topic. And, it's interesting that I'm having this conversation with an authorized distributor such as yourself, because when people think connected enterprise, they don't necessarily think of their electrical distributor right off the bat. So how does an electrical distributor fit into that connected enterprise journey?
So, fair enough question. I think it's actually interesting that you ask, and one of the things we see with Connected Enterprise is that we often kind of get the phone call, how do I start or what do I buy? Right? And then people look at us, or they're electrical distributor, they're Authorized Rockwell Distributor, and they want to buy stuff from us. But Connected Enterprise is a little elusive in that because it's just not a set of products to go buy.
Right, it's something you get off the shelf.
It's an evolution of where you're trying to get to.
Well, with that, I've talked about this a little bit before in terms of assessments being a good place to start. What type of assessments exist to help someone get started on their connected enterprise journey?
So when we talk about connected enterprise, you're right. We also think assessments are a great starting point. As part of some of the relationship with Rockwell we recently expanded upon, we now work with our customers to do two types of assessments that we think help with connected enterprise. The first is an automation assessment or an installed base evaluation, and the second is a network assessment. All
right, number two. Okay. Now with that, what are some simple steps to get started? Just so that it's less of a roadblock to getting that first move done.
Sure. So that's where the assessment comes in. I think it's really important if you do three things. One, figure out what you have.
Okay. Yep.
Two, figure out what the life cycle is that it's in, aka can it support the technology that you need for a connected enterprise?
Right, definitely.
And three, start making your migration plan. And that's where assessments really fit that. An assessment will give you all of that information in specific detail so you can look at it, understand where you are by area of your plant, and then start that migration plan.
Absolutely. I'm going to give a call to action based on that. If you're getting ready to start in your connected enterprise journey, reach out to your authorized distributor, for your authorized Rockwell distributor like Rumsey Electric here in Philadelphia. They're a great resource to get started on that. They can guide you through those simple steps, those assessments, and ultimately get you started on that connected enterprise journey. And with that, Julia, I really appreciate the overview today.
Very good.
Thank you for being on the show. And for those of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you again here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.